Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create more complex animation in CSS. We will make a pull scene effect and create bone scene elements. These animations can make your web pages more dynamic and interesting. Let's get started. Before we started, let's quickly review what keyframe is. It's a special rule in CSS that allows us to define key moments of an animation. We can set how an element should look at specific times. Let's create example. Using keyframes and add name. Using example. But you can using anything. And create our parts. Using transform, scale, and add different numbers, and also change our percent. In this example we define an animation that changes the scale of an element from 1 to 1.5 and back. Okay, now let's create item. We're using div element and add class. We can write pulse. Okay, now let's create a pulsing effect. We will use keyframe to change the opacity and scale of an element. Using this class and add some styles. First we add width, height, and also add background color. Add the blue and also create border radius. Using 50%. Okay, and using property animation. Thanks to this property we can use our keyframe animation. First let's try to connect this animation and look at the window. Add name animation, time animation, and time repeat our animation. Okay, how you see it's work. And now let's create a more difficult animation. We can using this code change name because it will be pulse, and change opacity, here, and in the end part. Okay, as you can see we create a class pulse and set an animation that changes the scale and opacity of the element every 2 seconds here. And let's look at the window. I forgot to change name animation. Like you see, it's work and it's very popular animation because we often need to attract attention for our element. And also let's create padding because it doesn't seem normal. Using margin and auto. Okay, and let's do the next animation. Now we create animation, and for bones and element we will use keyframe, the same to change the position of the element vertical. We can change this code and delete last part, and also we need to change transform scale because now we will be using translate. We'll be using translate Y and translate and here also translate. And change value because we need to 15 pixels. And also let's change name our animation. We can name bones. Okay, and connect our animation here. And we also can change this class. Let's look at the window. In this example we create a class bones that changes the position of the element, making it looks like it is bouncing up and down. Okay, we learned how to create a pulsing effect and pulsing elements using CSS animation. Don't forget to experiment with different keyframes, values, and create your unique animations. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.